Had to bring it to the good old workshop.
I'm on, chill, I'm on for the respect. Never settle for less. I'ma get that spazzing on till it's pitch black.
I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen more.
Left here, got it about right there, and then the fucking axle popped out. This is where we're at now. Fucking backed them out. Let's hope these bitches aren't stripped. So here's this one. You notice that everything is fine besides that one. I'm underneath this little bitch. Let's go. All right. Took a little, but she's on. She's on, boys and girls. As you can see. All those nuts are on. She's on, boys and girls. So I'm gonna torque this down, and then we'll be good. Oh, you fucker. And now we are out. Fucking never get the time to fucking go. Well, I'm driving. We did it. Fuck yeah. Oh, you fucker.
I'm on, chill, I'm on for the respect. Never settle for less. I'ma get that spazzing on till it's pitch black.
I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen more.